9 out of 10 dropshipping businesses fail in just 4 months. And yet, that is the first thing most beginners try when they want to make money online. Why? Because someone told them it was easy and fast. Today, I am going to rank 5 ways to make money online, from the easiest to the hardest. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly which one makes sense for where you are right now. Let us get into it. Quick thing before we start. There is no perfect income model that works for everyone. Anyone who tells you otherwise is probably trying to sell you something. So instead of just listing these models, I am going to score each one on 5 things. How much money you need to start, how hard it is to learn, how long before you see your first dollar, how big it can get, and once it is running, how much does it actually work without you? Ready? Let us start with the one that surprises most people. Dropshipping sounds like a dream. You set up an online store, someone buys a product, a supplier ships it straight to them. You never touch anything. You just collect the money in the middle. Sounds easy, right? Here is the reality. 9 out of 10 dropshipping stores shut down within 4 months. To do this properly, you need between $2,000 and $5,000 just to get started. And most of that money goes to advertising. Because without ads, almost nobody finds your store. Ads cost money before they make money. And if you do not know what you are doing with ads, you can burn through your budget fast. Your profit on each sale is also thin. Maybe 15 to 30 cents on every dollar. So you need to sell a lot to make it add up. The one good thing? If everything goes right, you can make your first sale in as little as 2 weeks. But making a sale and actually making profit are 2 very different things. Dropshipping is not for someone just starting out with limited money. It is for someone who already has experience with online ads, has a budget to test with, and is okay with failing on a few products before finding one that works. If that is not you right now, keep watching. One of the next 4 will fit you much better. Here is something that might blow your mind. A finance YouTube video with 100,000 views can earn up to $2,500. A gaming video with the exact same views, maybe $400. Same number of views, same effort. But finance pays 6 times more. That is why so many serious creators build in this space. But here is the honest part. YouTube takes time, a lot of it. Before YouTube even lets you earn money, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of people watching your videos. For most beginners, that takes 6 months to a year of consistent posting. And it costs money to start properly. Camera, microphone, editing software, you are looking at $500 to $2,000 depending on what you already have. But here is what makes YouTube different from everything else on this list. A video you post today can still be earning money 3 years from now. It does not stop working. Every video you add makes the whole channel stronger. That compounding effect is incredibly powerful over time. YouTube is for someone who is patient, consistent, and genuinely enjoys sharing knowledge or ideas. If you want money fast, YouTube will frustrate you. But if you are thinking 2 to 3 years ahead and want something that builds on itself month after month, this is one of the best decisions you can make. Imagine you make something once, an ebook, a template, an online course, and then sell it over and over again, to 10 people, to 100, to 1,000. The product does not change. You do not have to make it again. You just keep selling the same thing. That is what a digital product is, and the margins are incredible. If you sell a digital product for $30, you could keep 25 to 28 of that, compared to a physical product where you might keep $4 or $5 after costs. Starting costs are low too, or between $100 and $1,000 depending on the platform you use. Some platforms like Gumroad let you start for completely free. The tricky part is not making the product. The tricky part is getting people to see it. You need an audience, whether that is on social media, YouTube, or through a blog. Without traffic, even the best product just sits there and nobody buys it. Most people take around 6 months to make their first sale. Not because the model does not work, but because building the audience to sell to takes time. This works great if you already know something useful, budgeting, a skill, a process that other people want to learn. If you have some kind of audience already, even a small one, this can move fast. If you are starting from zero on everything, expect to spend the first few months building trust before the sales follow. Affiliate marketing is probably the simplest concept on this list. You recommend something. Someone buys it through your link. You get paid a cut. That is it. You never make a product. You never ship anything. You never deal with customer complaints. If someone has a problem, they go back to the company, not you. 81% of brands have an affiliate program. The industry is worth $18 billion globally. For every $1 a brand spends on affiliates, they get 15 back. That is why the commissions can be genuinely good. You can start with $0 if you use social media or a free blog, or spend up to $2,000 if you want a proper website and tools. Either way, the startup cost is flexible. The timeline is the most unpredictable thing here. If you already have followers somewhere, you could earn your first commission tomorrow. If you are starting fresh, expect 6 to 12 months of building content before money comes in consistently. The people who win at affiliate marketing are not the ones who are the most talented. They are the ones who kept going long enough for their content to start ranking and converting on its own. If you enjoy creating content, videos, posts, articles, and you are willing to be patient, affiliate marketing is one of the friendliest models for beginners. Low cost to start, no product needed, and once your content is working, it can earn passively for a long time. Print on demand is the most beginner-friendly model on this list. And I mean that genuinely, not as a compliment that hides a catch. Though there is one thing I want to be honest about. Here is how it works. You design something. A quote on a t-shirt, a pattern on a mug, a print for a phone case. You list it on a platform like Redbubble or Etsy connected to a supplier. When someone orders it, the supplier prints it and ships it. You never touch the product. You just collect the difference between what the customer paid and what the supplier charged. The market for print on demand is worth $12 billion right now and growing at 23% every year. That is more than double the growth of regular online shopping. Startup cost is the lowest here, $100 to $500. Canva is free and good enough to design with. Some platforms let you list products for free with no monthly fees at all. The honest catch? The profit per sale is small, maybe $3 to $5 per t-shirt, so you need volume, a lot of designs, a lot of listings, before the income becomes meaningful. And it takes around 4 to 5 months to see your first sale on an organic strategy. But here is what makes it great for beginners. You're not risking much. You're learning how online selling works. And while your designs sit there quietly, you can be building skills for the other models on this list at the same time. If you have under $500, limited time, and want to start somewhere without big risk, print on demand is your answer. Think of it as your first step into online income while you figure out where you want to go long term. So here is the full ranking from easiest to hardest. Number 1, easiest, print on demand. Low cost, low risk, slow income growth, perfect first step. Number 2, affiliate marketing. Free to start, no product needed, takes patience. Strong long-term passive potential. Number 3, digital products. Amazing margins, low cost, but you need an audience and real knowledge to sell. Number 4, YouTube. Hard to build, takes 6 to 12 months, but finance. YouTube pays some of the highest ad rates on the planet and the content compounds forever. Number 5, hardest, dropshipping. Fastest first sale possible, but the highest failure rate, the highest costs, and the thinnest margins. Not a beginner model. The one thing to remember. The easiest model to start is not the fastest to make real money, and the hardest model to start has some of the highest long-term rewards. That is not a coincidence. Difficulty and reward almost always go together. The question is not which model is best. The question is which model is right for where you are right now. Let me make this as simple as I can. If you have under $500 right now, start with print on demand. Learn how selling online works without risking much. And while you do that, start building some kind of content presence. If you have $1,000 to $2,000 and time to learn affiliate marketing, gives you one of the best setups for long-term passive income without needing to create your own product. If you have real knowledge about something and at least a small audience, digital products will give you the best profit margins of anything on this list. And if you're playing the long game and you want something that gets better every single month, well, next video I am going deep on affiliate marketing, how it actually works from scratch, and how beginners set it up without an existing audience. Subscribe so you do not miss that one.